I just really hate it when I carry a bag and it has the logo of the company or the designer all over it. I don't know what is it about that, but it gets I don't know what is it about that, but it gets on my nerve. For example, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rito in case you're new here, and I make fashion videos. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by again to watch my video. So today's video is going to be an unboxing, a review, a first impression of an item that I have been wanting to lay my hands on and own it for over a year now. And it's all over YouTube. It's been all over Instagram and Pinterest, and everybody has used it, and they've probably forgotten about it, and I'm just laying my hands on it. But it's still valid in 2022. Okay, it's still valid. So yeah, this is the Coach Tabby handbag. I know that there is two sizes of this. They have the shoulder bag, which is like a little bit bigger than this one, and I'm not sure if it's the one that they call 26 or if it's this one that they call 26, but when I got mine it didn't say 26, or it didn't mention 26 in this, so I don't know about that. Correct me if I'm wrong. But this is the one that is called the handbag, and then there is one that is called the shoulder bag. I've been thinking about getting this because I've seen it a lot. I needed a bag that was small enough that I could wear with certain outfits, and honestly I didn't have any small bag. I didn't have any small black bag. I don't even have, I think I have one Zara bag that is actually presentable, and it's brown, but it's not the kind of brown that you can just pick up and wear all the time. It's a special kind of brown. I really want to start investing into pieces that I know are quality, and I know that they stand out, but yet they are quality and I can value for a very long time. I feel like the older you get, you are not exactly, I mean, you would buy them if you see them like some cheaper option of bags, but if you can, on some level, I feel like there's just some bags that they're just some pieces in your wardrobe that should be a lot more valuable, if for the lack of a better word. Sometimes you really just don't want to wear a very big bag. Some outfits just don't go with big bags, and I really needed one. That's one. Two, I wanted it. It's cute. I thought it was really cute, and I really wanted to lay my fingers on this. Now, like I said, this one is the smaller size of this bag. They have a bigger size that is called the shoulder bag. This is the handbag. This is just the black one. It comes with the Coach logo here, and it has two straps, a shorter one. Anyway, so it has two straps, which I really love. I like that it has a shorter one which you can actually wear on your shoulder still, and it will actually stay, and it's not uncomfortable, but you can actually clip and unclip it, so you can detach this strap if you don't want to wear it like this. And then it has a longer strap, which is this one, and this one you can also attach and detach. I love that it has an adjustable, the strap is adjustable, so if you wanted it shorter, if you wanted it longer, you can actually adjust that to your preference. But for me, I think that I like this bag with both straps at the same time. Sometimes you probably want it to be as simple as possible. You might probably want to go with only one strap, but as for me, I think I like it with the two straps together. Now this is a small bag, not a tiny bag, but it's a small bag. I have seen reviews of people saying, oh, I don't like this bag, it's too small. Yes, it's small. I mean, if you wanted a bag that will fit everything that you're carrying, your whole house, when you are leaving the house, then get a big bag. Okay, I just don't think it's fair that you go for a small bag that is clearly a small bag and then complain that it's not fitting a lot of stuff in it. That's why we have so many different sizes, but I digress. Anyway, so the first thing is, the first section you have is at the back. You have a section here where I think that if you have like a bus ticket, if you have something that is flat, You can, if your phone is very slim, I think it can also go in here, and it will be safe because it's the part that is leaning to your body, so it's gonna be safe. You can put anything that you want to reach there really fast. And then when you open the bag, it has this it's not, I think it's almost like a suede feel to it, the inner part. It feels like it's quality. This bag feels, the leather feels like it's quality. It's matte. And then inside right here you have a, first you have a small section towards your body, then you have a zipper, and then you have a, and then you have another bigger section, and then there is another small section just before you close the bag. One, I think it has a lot of space on a lot of sections for a small bag. I feel like sometimes even the biggest bags just have one section that you just put stuff inside, or at least two sections. I have big bags, and sometimes it's, things get lost in it because there are not enough sections to separate what you are carrying for that day. And yes, there are bags out there, but I just feel like these days people are not, companies are not actually worrying about giving us sections in bag. I don't know what is it about how they are doing bags these days, but I'm not a fan. But anyway, with this, I've tried to put my phone, my card wallet, and my keys. Of course, my key is one, so it's gonna go in. Bus tickets, whatever it is, I have fit into this, and it works. As long as it's not something massive, it's gonna fit, and it's not going to be too heavy. This is not a bag you carry because you want to carry a lot of stuff out of the house. This is a bag you carry because you want something nice, sleek, that looks good, but it's gonna carry enough for you to leave the house, if that makes sense. The leather is feels like it's gonna last. Also, it is this matte leather, and then the gold buckles, or should I say the gold part of this bag, just complements the color of this bag, complements the design of the bag. My thing with the gold part is this: it's not in your face and shiny. I like gold. I like gold when it is like mixed in bags and shoes and stuff. I like it. I think it gives a certain level of oomph to whatever you're mixing gold in. But sometimes the shade of the gold is shiny and in your face, and I don't like that one. But this one is it's almost matte, and so it's understated yet it stands out, and I love that about that. I just really hate it when I carry a bag and it has the logo of the company or the designer all over it. I don't know what is it about that, but it gets, I don't know what is it about that, but it gets on my nerve. For example, but this one, the logo is just there, and you could actually miss it if you don't know that this is Coach. You could miss it. You just think, okay, this is just a metal that is on the bag, but the bag looks nice. For me, it's just important that the bag looks nice and goes with what I'm trying to wear, and it's comfortable, it's carrying what I need it to carry, and I love it. That's all. I don't need the logo to be everywhere, but that's just me. I know there are some people that really like that, but that's just me. So that's one of the reasons why I went for this excuse me, aside from the part that is black and I needed a black bag. I just really like that everything about the bag is understated yet it stands out. You will, when you see the bag, you will know that you're carrying, the person is carrying something that is not just a cheap item. I don't know if this is, I don't think this is, I wouldn't call this white. I think I would call it more of, you know what, I think I'll call this more of a off-white to cream shade than white, but it's the kind of white family that I'm looking for. I don't have a small bag that is in this color, but I always find that this color of bags just looks really nice and sophisticated. I don't know what is it about it. I love that I can comfortably buy this color of this bag in this color, because I saw a review and the lady said that you could actually wipe any stain off this leather if it stains. So I was comfortable to buy it in this color. Now I would love this bag in brown too, so hopefully in the near future, when I can afford it, I'll probably go for a brown one too. But overall, it's the same bag, it's the same design, it's the same section, it's the same size. It's just the color that is different. You still have the gold buckles, you still have 2 straps, you still have the gold C logo of the Coach. Inside you have a kind of like a suede inner lining, and the inner lining in the white one is a different color than the black one. But overall, honestly, this is I think this is a good introduction to designer bags. If you're looking to start investing in designer bags, I think this is a good introduction to designer bag. The price tag is just, you know, average and right. The style is really sleek, and you can have this, you can wear this every single day with everything, and it's still going to serve you for a very long time. I really do think that this is a good designer for those of us who have not owned designer items before in terms of bags. I feel like this is a really good introduction to buying designer pieces. I am so excited to style this bag, to wear it, to use it and enjoy it. I have been looking for an excuse to wear this bag, but I've not had anywhere to be because it's been so hot and I really don't have anywhere to be. But when I do wear this bag and when I do style it, it's going to be on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram handle is right on the screen, and it's also in my description box. So please follow me on my Instagram. I am back to posting on my Instagram. I am back to posting fashion content on my Instagram, and I'm also back to posting a lot more consistently on YouTube here. So please like this video, comment, tell me what you think about the video, tell me what you think about the bag, tell me if you have use this bag, what you feel about it. Tell me if there's another bag that you feel like is better, or is you know, a better option. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.